Hi loves! Food trip tayo. Ano? Tara! So nakita namin ito sa TikTok and syempre anong gagawin natin? We had to try it. And today, nandito kami sa Pho Mahal, a Vietnamese restaurant and first time namin makakatikim ng Vietnamese food. So here's what we ordered. Pho bo, bun bo huey, banh mi chuan, and goy kun chai. Loves, hindi ko alam kung tama ba yung pronunciation ko. First up, the pho bo. The soup alone, super flavorful. Like, sobrang rich and comforting ng broth and medium size lang pala yung in-order ni Josh and super perfect na siya for one person and even for sharing kasi ang dami ng serving nila. Next, yung in-order ko naman ay N6 Plus, the Bun Bo Huey. Loves, ang daming laman nito. It comes with sliced beef, shrimp, chicken, pata, and Vietnamese ham. Super generous ng serving and honestly, good for sharing na siya because ang laki talaga. Kung masarap yung pho bo, mas masarap ito. And super lambot ng noodles niya. Kung mahilig ka sa lasa ng herbs, magugustuhan mo to. Now, let's talk about their traditional banh mi. Because apparently, one of the best seller daw ito. And grabe, super deserved kasi ang sarap niya. The bread was perfectly crispy on the outside, then filled with cha shou, egg, ham, fresh veggies, and salad. The flavors work so well together. Kaya mapapasabi ka na lang ng every bite was chef's kiss. Lastly, we tried their vegetarian spring rolls. Akala namin fried siya but surprise, it's fresh. May feeling siya na parang tofu kaya parang fried siya sa picture. It was light, fresh, and a nice balance after all the rich flavors. Plus, yung vinegar and sauce nila is super perfect combo with these spring rolls. Overall, if mahilig kayo sa Vietnamese food or gusto nyo lang mag-try ng something different for your next food trip, this place is definitely worth to try. The food tastes authentic, servings are generous, quality is great, and bonus pa ang bilis ng serving time nila. Pho Mahal is located at P.O. Campos Street, Malate, Manila, near Jollibee and Vito Cruz LRT Station. Super dali lang nitong hanapin. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, loves? Try nyo na rin dito. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi. Bye!